Greetings of the day. This is Hitesh. In today's class, we will do the fourth algebraic identity x plus a multiply x plus b, and also we will do some questions which are based on algebraic identities. Okay, so let's get started. Now we will continue algebraic identity number 4. It is x plus a multiply x plus b, it is equal to x square plus a plus b multiply x plus ab. Okay, but the question is where we can use this identity and how we will use this identity. Okay, you can see the first term of both the bracket is same and the second term is different. Okay, if the question is given this form, then we can use this identity. Okay, so first we will prove this identity. Okay, and later on we will take some example on this identity. Okay, proof. The LHS part, it is x plus a multiply x plus b. Okay, now we will simplify these two brackets. So first we will take first term of first bracket multiply by the second bracket x plus b, then we will take second term of first bracket and multiply by the second bracket x plus b. Okay, now we will simplify these brackets. X multiply x, x square, plus x multiply b, bx, plus a multiply x, ax, plus multiply plus and a multiply b, ab. Okay, now see second and third term, x is coming common. Okay, so we can take x as a common in second and third term, so it will be x square plus a plus b multiply x plus ab, which is equal to RHS part of this equation. So the result is verified. Okay, now we will take some examples. Example number 1, x plus 2 multiply x plus 5. Okay, the first term of both the bracket is same, x and x, and the second terms are different of both the bracket. Okay, so this is the value of x. Okay, this is the value of a and this is the value of b. Okay, the question is already given in standard form. Okay, x plus a multiply x plus b. Okay, so no need to reconvert. Okay, so according to this identity, it is equal to x square plus a plus b multiply x plus ab. Okay, so put these values here in this identity, so it will x square, the value of x, so it will x square plus value of a 2, value of b 5, and value of x, okay, plus value of a 2 and value of b is 5. Okay, and here we can write the identity x plus a bracket x plus b is equal to x square plus a plus b multiply x plus ab. Okay, because we have used this identity in this question. Okay, now we will simplify, so it will x square plus 2 plus 5 7, so it will 7x. Okay, and 2 5s are 10. Okay, so x square plus 7x plus 10, it is the simplest form and it is product form. Okay, one more example we will take. Example number 2, x minus 5 and x plus 6. Okay, so first we will write this question into standard form. Okay, so we can write like this, x plus inside the bracket minus 5 and it is x plus 6. Okay, now you can see it is in standard form, x plus a multiply x plus b. This is the value of x. Okay, this is the value of a and this is the value of b. Okay, according to this identity, so it will x square, so value of x, it is x, so it will x square. Okay, plus value of A it is minus 5, value of B it is plus 6, and value of X it is X. Okay, plus AB, value of A minus 5, value of B it is plus 6. Okay, now we will simplify. So it will be x square plus 6 minus 5 it is 1, and 1 multiply x. Okay, so it will x square plus x, and here plus minus 5 6 are 30. Okay, so it will be x square plus x minus 30, and this is simplest form. Okay, or we can say this is expansion form. Okay, and this is product form. Okay, so I think this is clear. Now we will come on exercise 9.4, question number 1. Expand the following. The first part, it is given 7x plus 1 whole square. Okay, so in this question we will use the identity a plus b whole square. Okay, and it is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. Okay, this is the value of a and this is the value of b, and between them plus sign is there, so we will use here this identity a plus b whole square. Okay, so according to this identity it is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. The value of a it is 7x, so it will 7x square plus 2ab, value of a 7x, value of b it is 1 plus value of b it is 1, so it will 1 ka square. Okay, now we will simplify. 7 square 49, and x का किया x square plus 2 7s are 14, and 14 multiply 1 14 and multiply by x, so it will 14x. Okay, and 1 square 1. Okay, so 49x square plus 14x plus 1, it is the expansion form. Okay, the second part it is given 5x minus 3 whole square. 5x minus 3 whole square. So here between two terms minus sign is there, so we will use here a minus b whole square. This is the value of a and this is the value of b. So according to identity a minus b whole square, it is equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. Okay, now put the values in this identity, so it will 5x square because the value of a is 5x minus 2a, value of a it is 5x, value of b it is 3 plus b square, the value of b it is 3, so it will 3 square. Okay, now we will simplify. So 5 square 25 and x का किया x square. Okay, minus 2 5s are 10, 10 3s are 30, so it will 30x plus 3 square 9. So 25x square minus 30x plus 9 is the expansion form. Okay, question number 1 C part, pq square minus 5 whole square. Okay, so now in this question between two term minus sign is there and it is whole square, so we will use the identity a minus b whole square, and it is equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. Okay, here the value of a pq square and the value of b it is 5. Okay, now put the values in this identity, so it will a square, so it will pq square whole square minus 2a, value of a pq square, value of b it is 5 plus 5 square because the value of b it is 5. Okay, now we will simplify. So it will p square and 2 2s are 4, so it will q raised to power 4. Okay, so it will p square q raised to power 4 minus 2 5s are 10 and multiply pq square, so it will minus 10 pq square and 5 square 25. Okay, so this is expansion form. The next part is 1 by 5 a cube plus b square whole square. Okay, now you can see the plus sign is there between two terms, So we will use here a plus b whole square, and it is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. Okay, here the value of a, it is 1 by 5 a cube, and the value of b, it is b square. Okay, now put these values in this identity, so it will a square. So value of a, 1 by 5 a cube, 1 by 5 a cube whole square plus 2a, value of a 1 by 5 a cube, value of b, it is b square plus value of b square, so it will b square raised to power 2. Okay, and here we will simplify. So 1 square 1, 5 square 25, and a cube square, so 3 2s are 6, because we know that the whole power are always in multiplication. Okay, so it will 1 by 25 a raised to power 6, and here 2 multiply 1 2. Okay, and it will 2 by 5 a cube b square, and here whole power multiplication, so it will 2 2s are 4. Okay, so we can write 1 multiply a raised to power 6, so it will a raised to power 6 by 25 plus 2 by 5 a cube b square plus b raised to power 4. Okay, so this is expansion form. Okay, so I think this is sufficient for today. Okay.